For the past 3 months, I've been building a game to help people stop starting over. Now, it's not really a game in the entertainment sense, it's more of a progression system that utilizes game mechanics, like scoring, levels, runs, and upgrades to make behavior change more measurable, motivating, and repeatable. This is the first version of the game template. The game starts off with a 7-day run in which the goals are simple. You choose one behavior to build, one behavior to break, and track your score daily. You use that score to keep improving instead of resetting. This system is built for men who know what to do but keep not doing it. From what I can tell, the reason most people fail to create lasting change in their life is not because they don't know what to do. It's because they keep repeating the same loop. They start strong, try to change everything at once, slip back into the same behaviors, spiral due to the shame, and then completely reset. And this is the loop that the game is designed to interrupt. It does this because it is built on one core principle, which is compounding. Who each of us becomes is determined by the behaviors that we repeat over the course of our lives. If you repeat behaviors that drain or damage you, your life compounds negatively. If you repeat behaviors that build you, your life compounds positively. The system is designed to help you repeat the right behaviors long enough for them to start changing who you become. The game starts with your first run and it has 3 parts. The first is your build, which is completing one behavior of your choice that compounds positively. The next is break, avoiding one behavior of your choice that compounds negatively. And the last is track, in which you score your behavior daily so that progress is measured and self-deception becomes harder. Your first run lasts 7 days, and you aim to get the highest score at the end of those 7 days that you possibly can. Now, the first run teaches the controls. After that, progression paths teaches you how to keep playing with progressive overload. You use your score to decide whether to drop, replay, or raise your build standard so that progress keeps compounding without causing another reset. I built this game because this is what I needed when I was stuck inside this loop. I spent years of my life desperately wanting to change, but every single time I tried, I would collapse back into addiction, avoidance, and self-sabotage. Creating a progression system like this for myself is the core thing that has allowed me to stop resetting, rebuild self-trust, and become more consistent than I've ever been. And if you feel like you are stuck in this sort of loop, I think that it can do the same thing for you. This game is free to try inside the Stop Starting Over challenge. If this is the kind of system that you wish you had, click the link in the description to join the challenge and start your first run.